doesn't mean to rebel or be stubborn, but she ends up doing it. Matania. She claims to understand, but in the long run, you have to make her understand. Mata. What is the matter?
Hey, Martha, you are still here. Did you call your brother?
No, I'll call him later.
You are stuck on that phone all day. Martha?
Mom, I will call him. And you can say hi to him for me too. Please, I'll call him. It's just that I almost called him this morning, but one of my friends just sent me this message. Grandma, I'll call him.
Okay, go ahead and call him. Go ahead, pick your phone and call him. He asks after you. Go ahead and call your brother.
Matania. She claims to understand, but in the long run, you have to make her understand. Mata. What is the...
Martha? Did you call your brother?
Mom,
You did not?
I'll call him later.
Please get up. Go ahead, get up. Get up, go and get ready so that we can go out.
I will call him.
Get up. What is your problem? You are stuck on this phone. Oh.
I'm not stuck, Grandma. I'm not. I'll go and get ready so that we can go.
What is the matter? You should remember, you are God's daughter, so you should do better.
Ah, we are fine, oh. Everything is fine. And how is everybody? We bless God. The weather is not bad. Oh, you mean my dad did not call you yet? You see, Godfrey, that your sister, she's really a trouble. Don't worry. I will make sure she give you a call. I will do that. All right. My regards to everyone. We'll see you soon. We'll see you guys soon. Very soon we will see you guys. All right. Bye-bye.
What is the matter? You should remember, you are God's daughter, so you should know better.
Martha, what are you doing? Did you call your brother?
I will call him.
Martha, I know you will do the right thing. But remember, you don't want to neglect your family. It looks like you are always stuck with this your phone. Go and get ready and let's go out. Okay?
I will not. Let me go and get ready. I'm coming.
I'll be waiting outside.
She doesn't mean to rebel or be stubborn, but she ends up doing it. Matania. She claims to understand, but in the long run, you have to make her understand. Mata. What is the matter? You should remember.